Hi there, and just an update on what's happening with the driving tests at the moment. I've just received this email from the DVSA. It appears all driving tests have been suspended for up to 3 months. Tests for critical workers will be continued and be prioritised. As far as I'm aware, that's people such as NHS workers and delivery drivers. And it is tests for car driving tests, motorcycle tests, ADI tests as approved driving instructor tests, lorry, coach and bus driving tests. So basically every type of driving test has been put on hold for up to 3 months. If you have a test booked, the DVS are going to get in touch with you and they're again going to cancel the test and rebook it. And it's looking like they're going to be rebooked somewhere around June and July. This also goes in addition with the information that all theory tests have been cancelled until Monday the 20th of April. If your test has been suspended with less than 3 days notice, you can claim for out-of-pocket expenses. You'll need to go on the gov.uk website to be able to do this. I'll leave a link in the description.